Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're hyped about Canon's future mirrorless lineup, you're in for a treat. Let's unlock a fresh, energized take on the buzz surrounding the long-anticipated Canon EOS R4. Canon devotees, brace yourselves. Rumors are racing ahead. A next-gen mirrorless powerhouse, tentatively branded the EOS R4, is said to be in the works, blending avant-garde performance with professional-grade versatility. Could this be the dedicated, hybrid warrior Sony shooters and gimbal operators have been waiting for? Let's dissect every clue, rumor, and educated guess to give you a rich, compelling preview. Canon's mirrorless momentum, R5 and R6 as the foundation. The EOS R5 firmly established Canon's dominance in high-res, cinematic video. A stunning 45MP sensor with 8K video wowed pros and cine geeks alike. Meanwhile, the R6 charmed users seeking blazing speed, stellar low-light prowess, and cost-effective value. Together, they form a perfectly complementary ecosystem, one for ultra-detailed artistry, the other for rapid-fire, real-world adaptability. Now, the whispered R4 allegedly aims to bridge that gap, but will it truly deliver something fresh, or merely echo what already exists? What are the rumors telling us? Sensor specs. Reports suggest a 40MP sensor, higher than the R6's 24MP but under the R5's resolution, a possible middle ground aimed at photographers who crave more detail without the top-tier price. Processing power. A hint of Canon's Digic X Plus processor name crops up, improving autofocus, dynamic range, and noise handling, but doesn't necessarily eclipse R5 level capabilities. Video ambition. There's talk of 8K at 60 frames per second. Canon logged 2 of 3, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, dual card slots, and robust weather sealing. Signature features in the current R lineup. Thermal innovation? The most tantalizing rumor, a revamped internal cooling system, maybe heat pipes or a vapor chamber, to tackle the R5's early overheating criticism. This could stand out if real. If any of this seems déjà vu to you, that's because it overlaps heavily with the R5's existing spec sheet. Market positioning. Will the R4 make sense? Canon has generally kept its mirrorless lineup cleanly segmented. R6 for speed, R5 for detail and video finesse. Where would the R4 fit in this spectrum without overshadowing or cannibalizing its stablemates? Potential pitfalls. Crowd-ing the product lineup with a model that's too close in specs to both R5 and R6 could confuse buyers. Without a truly standout innovation, like the rumored new cooling hardware, the R4 risks feeling redundant rather than revolutionary. Pricing could complicate things. An expected $3,000 to $3,500 range sits between discounted R5s and affordable R6 models, making it a hard sell without clear added value. Cultural and strategic quirks. Why R4 might never happen in many East Asian cultures, including Japan, where Canon's HQ resides. The number 4 is associated with death. This often leads brands to skip 4 in product names entirely, a strong cultural reason Canon might have avoided launching an R4 altogether. Also, consider Canon's typical launch rollout. Patents, regulatory filings, and leaks usually precede any official debut. Yet for the EOS R4, these breadcrumbs simply don't exist, fueling skepticism about whether it's even real or just fanwish speculation. The bottom line, myth or method, without firm evidence, technical specs, cooling engineering depth, patent filings, announcements, the EOS R4 sounds more like a rumor-shaped rumor than a forthcoming product. The real winners in Canon's mirrorless future are likely the proven R5 and fast-action R6 lines, or a genuinely new lineup that delivers fresh innovations. If an R4 ever materializes, it must offer something unique, disruptive cooling for extended 8K per 4K recording, a compelling price/performance sweet spot, a clear identity distinct from both R5 and R6. Otherwise, it might remain a phantom in the rumor mill, or quietly be replaced by an entirely new naming system, sidestepping the unlucky for completely. What do you think? Could there still be room for a flagship light, like an R4, or is this whisper best left behind? Let us know in the comments.